T-Mobile home internet relies on a cellular connection, so understanding the gateway's light indicators is key. A solid white light means a stable 5G or LTE connection. A red light signals no cellular signal, modem failure, or a network outage. If you see a red light, first check your signal strength via the T-Mobile app, aiming for -70 dBmers or better. Frequent disconnects are often due to signal interference, modem overheating, or potentially exceeding data deprioritization thresholds after 50 gigabytes on some plans. Start by power cycling the gateway and ensuring it's in a location with minimal obstructions. If disconnects persist, try connecting a device directly via Ethernet to rule out Wi-Fi issues. DNS issues can cause slow loading times or prevent you from accessing websites. T-Mobile uses dynamic DNS servers, but sometimes these can experience issues. Try flushing the DNS cache on your devices or manually changing your DNS servers to Google's public servers 8.8.8 and 88.4.4 in your router settings. To change DNS servers, access your router's settings and set the primary to 8.88.8 and secondary to 884.4. On Windows, go to Network Properties and enter these addresses manually. Speed fluctuations are common with wireless internet due to network congestion or plan limitations. Run speed tests, especially during peak hours, to get an accurate picture of your speeds. If speeds are consistently low, consider upgrading your plan or contacting T-Mobile support to investigate potential network issues in your area. The T-Mobile app has built-in troubleshooting tools. Use this before contacting support.